Hi guys. Do you know each and every company is looking for a DevOps professionals? As the growing demand of your microservice development as well as the cloud development, DevOps is the requirement for current industry software development. So if you really wanted to become a DevOps expert or you wanted to look for a career option into DevOps field, we have one of the finest solution for you. So we are conducting a webinar on the DevOps technologies and tools. Myself is Ashish. I have more than 15 years of experience in technology development and solutioning, and I'm also a certified professional. Okay, I have trained more than 10,000 plus professionals in recent years, and they got their dream jobs into dream companies. Okay, so this webinar contains introductions and all details related to DevOps tools and technology, Docker concepts, Jenkins concepts. So this webinar we are conducting on coming Friday. So what are you waiting for? Come join us.